Hey friends, if you wish to show file extensions on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So let us say we have files here. Now I don't know the extensions because there's no extension here. One way is to hover my mouse over it and it will mention the type of file it is. For example, it reads that it's an MP4 file. The second option is to right click on it and select show more options, select properties, and you'll find the extension here, it's .mp4. The next option is to click on view, select show and select file name extensions, and now the file name extensions will be visible for each and every file on the entire computer. Like even if I speak about a file in a very different folder, let's say in the music folder or in the pictures folder, I can see its extension here. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.